Okay, what you're looking at here is an actual CNA, okay? Or at least somebody created it. The import function works like this. So you go up to here, option, and you see that second menu, it says import from a CNA. Okay, so you click on that. And what that does is it displays for you all the CNAs that are within your own firm, okay, that you can import from. Does that make sense? So you could either search for them, by using these parameters, or this midfield just displays all the CNAs that's within your own firm. So let's say I want to import from, let's say like this one right here. This one is CNA. You select that, and you down here in the left lower corner, these are the 4 that right now we have available for you to import from. So let's say you want to import all the components that you created for this project here. That means you ignore that. Okay, and you just want to import the components, right? So you go ahead and select that, and you could import data. Now what that did was, if you go to CNA and go to the component section, whatever components that you had in the other CNA gets populated here. You just inject it directly.